Homeowners in Layton are always looking for ways to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable living space. One of the most effective home upgrades for both energy savings and improved comfort is replacing old windows with energy-efficient models. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce energy waste, and improve overall home performance. Here's how energy-efficient window replacement in Layton can lower your utility bills and enhance your living space. Reduce energy bills with better insulation. Older windows often have poor insulation, leading to air leaks and increased energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass to improve insulation, low emissivity coatings to minimize heat transfer, argon or krypton gas-filled windows to prevent temperature fluctuations. By reducing heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, energy-efficient windows help homeowners in Layton cut down on heating and cooling costs year-round. Improve indoor comfort year-round. Layton experiences hot summers and cold winters, making it crucial to maintain stable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows prevent drafts and cold spots in winter. Reduce excessive heat buildup during the summer. Help maintain a consistent and comfortable indoor environment. With better climate control, homeowners can enjoy a cozier home without overworking their HVAC system. Protect your home from UV damage. Sunlight streaming through your windows can cause furniture, flooring, and curtains to fade over time. Energy-efficient windows with UV-blocking low-E coatings help filter out harmful UV rays without blocking natural light. Preserve the quality of home interiors by preventing fading and sun damage. Reduce glare, making indoor spaces more comfortable. By investing in UV protective windows, you extend the life of your home's furnishings while maintaining brightness. Minimize outside noise for a quieter home. Living in busy areas of Layton can expose homeowners to traffic noise, neighborhood sounds, and outdoor disturbances. Energy-efficient windows provide enhanced noise insulation by using multiple glass panes to block sound transmission, creating an airtight seal that reduces external noise, improving overall home privacy and tranquility. With noise reduction features, energy-efficient windows help create a peaceful indoor environment. Reduce condensation and prevent mold growth. Humidity changes in Layton can lead to window condensation, which may cause mold growth, water damage, and wood rot. Energy-efficient windows help prevent this by keeping interior glass surfaces warmer, reducing condensation buildup, using moisture-resistant frames and seals to prevent water damage, improving indoor air quality by minimizing mold risks. By upgrading to condensation-resistant windows, homeowners can maintain a healthier home with fewer maintenance concerns. Increase home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to modern energy-efficient windows doesn't just save money, it also enhances home aesthetics and resale value. Benefits include sleek, stylish window designs that boost curb appeal, higher property value, making your home more attractive to buyers, long-lasting durability, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Potential buyers look for energy-efficient features, making new windows a valuable selling point. Take advantage of energy rebates and incentives. Many Layton homeowners can qualify for state, local, and federal rebates when upgrading to Energy Star certified windows. These programs can offset the initial installation cost, provide long-term energy savings, encourage sustainable home improvements. By taking advantage of available incentives, window replacement becomes even more affordable. Work with a professional window replacement company. For maximum energy efficiency and long-lasting results, homeowners should hire a trusted window replacement company in Layton. Professional installation ensures proper window sealing to eliminate air leaks. Expert recommendations on the best window styles for your home. Warranty protection for peace of mind. Poor installation can reduce efficiency and lead to costly repairs, so working with experts ensures your investment is worthwhile. Final thoughts. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows and start saving. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models is one of the best decisions a Layton homeowner can make. From lower utility bills and better insulation to UV protection and noise reduction, these windows provide long-term financial and comfort benefits. If you're ready to improve your home's efficiency and cut down on energy costs, contact a trusted window replacement professional in Layton today and enjoy the benefits of modern, energy-saving windows.